Today, I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive verify data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you
Yes,
understand English?
yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any tattoos in your skin?
I have ma'am there.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I'm healthy, ma'am.
If you feel unwell, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am. I am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
I want to work in Malaysia because I want to experience it without days off.
Alright, why you didn't choose to go Singapore or Hong Kong?
I want. I choose Malaysia only, ma'am.
Can you help me introduce yourself, please?
I'm Ronaldin Kadang. I'm 33 years old. I live in Barangay San Miguel, Ramon Isabela.
Okay, I need
I
okay, it's okay. I need to know some few more details from you first. When is your birthday?
September 7, 1992, ma'am.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 4'11" and my weight is 57.
What is your religion?
Roman Catholic, ma'am.
What is your educational background?
High school graduate, ma'am.
You are single or married?
I'm a single mom, ma'am.
Single mother.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You mentioned that you got one kid. How old is your kid?
My kid is 10 years old, ma'am.
Who will going to take care of your kid later once you come to work here in Malaysia?
My mother, ma'am.
How old is your mother and what is her occupation?
My mother is 62 years old, ma'am, and she is a housewife.
What about your father?
My father is dead, ma'am. Namat-
Deceased. All right. So how
yes.
many brother and sister do you have?
I have 6 sisters and one brother, ma'am.
What is your rank in your family?
5, ma'am.
All right. So according to your profile, it was stated that you have a working experience way back 2022 to 2025 for 3 years in Manila. Correct? You finish your contract, and according here, you do the house chores, cooking, laundry, ironing, and you also take care an infant which is 6 months old. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it stay in maid or stay out?
Stay in, ma'am.
Stay in. Okay, what happened? Why you didn't continue working with your employer in Manila?
I decided to work abroad, ma'am.
You decided to work abroad. You know that being a first timer is not that so easy. Working abroad or working as a domestic helper is very tough one. This is not an easy job.
Yes,
Okay?
ma'am. Okay,
So
ma'am.
you need to expect those unexpected things because you might experience some things that you didn't experience in the Philippines. This is not the Philippines. So you need to get ready yourself. Houses here is quite big. Employers here is very particular when it comes of cleanliness. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your elderly people?
I have no experience, ma'am, but I'll try.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
This is a 2 years contract. You cannot simply say you cannot simply say you wanted to go back home because you cannot handle your job anymore. You miss your family or there is any uncertain situations that happen to your family in the Philippines, okay?
Yes,
Once
ma'am.
you terminate your contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer, and at the same time the agency has nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Are you aware that you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours?
Yes, ma'am.
You can hold it during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations? This is a strictly no go out policy. So don't tell us once you come to work here in Malaysia, ma'am, can I go out on my rest day? Ma'am, can I use my phone for 24 hours? No such a thing. Because in the first place, we've been transparent and you also agree about our terms and conditions. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
If you disagree, you can stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries. Yeah? Normally, how do you fight your homesickness? Because being a first timer, frequently homesickness will attack you anytime and anywhere. How will you gonna deal with it?
I'll make myself busy, ma'am.
You make yourself busy.
Yes, ma'am.
Remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give a better future for your child, knowing that you are a single mother also at the same time. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
In Philippines, you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer, and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems or any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
So I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time, Ronaldine. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Globalized agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you
Thank you,
so much
ma'am.
and have a good day.